Welcome back sa ating video tutorial on the P2P exchange. This time, ang gagawin natin ay sell your EDR and exchange it to Bitcoin. Go to your P2P exchange, then click buy and sell. Then we are going to sell our EDR. Enter the amount here, for example, 5 EDR. Click next. We are going to sell EDR. Click natin to EDR. Sell EDR. And next, choose Bitcoin. You have two options. You're going to exchange your EDR to Bitcoin or EDRC. So, tayo ay Bitcoin. Select natin Bitcoin. Now, meron na ritong price range na nakalagay, maximum and minimum. If you want to sell it in the maximum, just type 0.008909. So, that's the maximum you can sell your Bitcoin. If you want to sell it fast, you choose this one, 0.0077386, so that's 5.1, but we're going to sell it at 0.8909. So the price range is already set, the maximum. Click next. Here we already have a confirmation. If you want to continue, you gave 5 EDR in exchange of 0.008909 BTC. I have right now 134.18 EDRC. Today is June 14, 2:14 in the morning. Let's continue. Click next. Confirmation. You want to request a P2P exchange confirming you agree with the term of exchange. Your account may be suspended if you do not transfer fund within a set period of time. 3 times refuse to complete the deal. Third, you have uploaded an incorrect arbitrary document confirming the transfer or it's a fake attach. Let's click confirm. Before you can sell, you have to give your password. Confirm. Then you will receive an email in your inbox. Here's the email. Just copy the pin code, go back, confirm. We have now here in our order list, this is the transaction ID, the BTC amount that buyer will send to me in my Bitcoin. So for 5 EDR, status is waiting. Let's click the view, and this is my BTC address. I'm just going to wait. You need to set up that in my account. While waiting for the buyer, let's go to my account. So I already set up my Bitcoin wallet and my EDRC wallet. So the withdraw here is not to withdraw your EDR, convert to Bitcoin. When you say withdraw, you're going to withdraw your EDR going to your EDRC wallet, okay, or EDR coin. Let's just wait for the buyer of our 5 EDR here in P2P exchange. So let's just wait within 24 hours if there's already a buyer. So from time to time, you can check in your my order list. Click view again. There's no buying yet our 5 EDR. So let's wait the next 24 hours. Now while waiting to your order, there's another option. How are you going to sell EDR? If you have, like for example, new member that want to join EDR, if you have balance in your EDR, once the new member registered and activate the account, you just need to transfer the amount that the new member want to buy using his email address. Like for example, if someone want to register and want to join with only $10, all I need to do, get the email address of that person, send my $10 to his email address. Before doing that, that person need to transfer first the Bitcoin amount to your BTC address before sending him your $10 EDR. Okay, so let's say for example, if the new member already transferred the BTC amount in my Bitcoin address, I'm going to send that new member 10 EDR using the email address. Type the email address, make sure there's no space in your email, then the amount. Let's say for example 10. All I need to do is send money, click send money, and it will go to the next page. After I get the password, then get the PIN code in your email to complete the transaction and click confirm. So as you can see, the transaction is completed. 10 EDR successfully sent to a recipient, and my EDR wallet is deducted. So you can also check the transaction. Let's go back to our P2P exchange. So wala pa rin nangyari. So I think we need to give 24 to 48 hours before this transaction will be completed.